Welcome to the Steve the Guitar Guy YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel, you're going to get a lot of information about vintage guitars, which ones are good, models that I've tried, how to buy them, what to look for specifically, what's the value of them, how to make repairs to guitars that you've bought. Like basically, this is just all about loving the acoustic guitar. Like I have a little bit of a problem here, right? Okay, this is not a guitar store that I'm in, folks. This is my house, and if you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, the Steve the Guitar Guy YouTube channel, then you help enable me and give me plausible deniability that this isn't in fact a problem. There's no problem here. This is just a normal guy with a normal amount of guitars on the wall. Your walls resonate when you talk, right? Okay, look, just like and subscribe. I'm not a professional guitar player. I'm not here to teach you how to play like Tommy Emmanuel. I'm just here to share with you my experience about how I got into the guitar, at a very young age, what I've learned after many decades of playing the guitar. I know a lot about how to buy quality guitars on the used markets that are vintage, that have quality sound, but I'm cheap. I can't just go out and fill my collection with Martins and Taylors. And if you can, all the power to you. I simply just cannot. And so I purchase guitars which are very high in quality and in sound, but relatively low in cost and high in availability. And so if that's the kind of stuff that appeals to you, then like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon.